The video opens in a dusty clearing at the edge of a forgotten jungle village where smoke curls from rough cooking fires and chickens scratch through dry soil. In the middle stands Mr. Beast, holding a gleaming $1 bill in one hand and a shining futuristic lock in the other, announcing that for the next 100 days he and 3 other challengers will battle to protect and upgrade the ultimate door lock from $1 to $100,000. There are no tools, no stoves, no clean water, only a scattering of huts and a heavy wooden door frame planted in the dirt. Extreme Mr. Beast sprints forward, climbing onto the frame, yelling that this is his dream to live where danger waits behind every hinge and latch. Money Master grins, waving cash, promising to buy shortcuts from nearby villagers while others toil. Mystery Mr. Beast slips away into the trees, leaving behind a carved warning, "Survive or lose," etched below an old lock glinting in the sun. Fearless Mr. Beast slams the frame upright, declaring they will fight through hunger, storms, and betrayal to prove that the strongest lock is built with grit, not gold. From the first day, survival feels impossible. The only food is wild greens and a few chickens, and every nail or scrap of metal must be scavenged. Survivor Mr. Beast digs clay from the riverbank, shaping bricks to build a base for the cheap lock, trying to shield it from rain. Extreme swings through branches, hunting for vines to braid into ropes, risking a fall at every step. Metal scavenged from the village. Survivor carves grooves and chisels stone plates, shaping a mechanism with blistered fingers. Extreme lashes beams together, climbing high to fit a heavy crossbar, slicing his palms but refusing to slow. Money Master tries to pay locals for iron parts, yet Mystery sabotages every deal, chasing helpers away. Fearless leads the push, hauling timber, hammering wedges, guiding the team with sheer fire in his heart. On day 100, sunlight cuts through mist over a transformed camp. A magnificent hand-built door stands tall, guarded by a polished $100,000 lock forged from pieces scavenged and earned. Smoke from a celebration fire winds past smiling villagers as judges inspect every hinge and bolt, astonished at what grew from nothing. Survivor stands filthy and bleeding, but a live pride blazing in his eyes. Extreme grins, battered, saying this was the wildest, most dangerous build ever. Money Master bows, humbled at last. Mystery leaves a final note tucked behind the doorplate, saying, "Real strength secures hope for everyone, not just yourself." Fireworks burst above as Mr. Beast lifts the prize, shouting that they turned a $1 lock into the ultimate treasure through courage, heart, and never giving up.